Alright, cuz, if I understood your second challenge right, you want us to pull a train up a grade. Well, I decided just to go ahead and use my maintenance away train that I'm doing for another challenge. And it's got one locomotive, 15 cars, and a caboose. If I'm not mistaken, my grade is somewhere between 2 and 2.5% up this helix. I'm going to try to pull it at its speed step of 20, which is roughly 30-35 scale mile per hour. So let's see how this works. He's starting to slow down. Now the whole train is on the incline, but he is still moving. And so you can see I'm at a speed step of 20. It's still pulling. And as it comes in front of you, you can count the cars. Well, it looked like it made it up the grade with no problems. So there you have it. 16 cars, well 15 cars in a caboose, so let's just say 16. Just being pulled behind one locomotive, going up. I think it's a 2.5 grade. So it's a pretty steep grade. Alright, thanks. Y'all happy railroading.